Why Indonesian girls are not high maintenance women. This is the topic of today's video. I could also frame the question as follows. Do Indonesian women have high expectations of you as a foreigner? And the short answer is yes and no. And why that is, I will explain in this video. Of course, Indonesian women have high expectations when it comes to their partner, to their man, and especially you as a foreigner. Indonesian women, especially the good ones, they have high standards. They want a man who has his act together, basically, who can provide and who is loyal and faithful. They don't want to date or be together with a loser. Yeah, but let's say you are a humble guy, you consider yourself as a humble guy, rather on the quiet and shy side. You like to spend time with yourself. You don't see yourself as an entertainer. Yeah. So you might ask yourself, will these Indonesian girls, or will Indonesian girls in general, will they be okay with that? Yeah, with my character traits? Especially, you might ask yourself these questions when you never have visited Indonesia before. So you don't know these girls, you don't know how they tick, what they are up to, and you are a little bit insecure. And I have received this question actually from someone, and I also have received another question from another guy who actually went traveling with his Indonesian girlfriend to a foreign country, to another foreign country, and he also asked me, hey Marcel, when I travel together with my girlfriend, do I have to take her to places? Do I have to kind of entertain her all the time? Yeah. Do I have to keep her busy? And do I have to provide a lot of action and stuff like that? And I told both gentlemen basically, no, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to be a constant entertainer, neither personality-wise, yeah, nor be it when you are traveling together that you have to always have a big program laid out. Today we're gonna do this, and then tomorrow we're gonna go there, and there. This is not necessary. Why is it not necessary? Because Indonesian women are simple women in a sense that they actually just prefer your presence. Yeah. For them it's not so important where you go, yeah, but it is more important to them that you actually spend time together. Yeah. And of course every woman is a little bit different, and I can just generalize here about Indonesian women, but in general I would say, based on my not so little experience, is that Indonesian women don't really want to be entertained all the time. Yeah? They don't expect that because, again, they are simple women. What Indonesian women really value and want is number one, respect and honesty, and also politeness. Yeah. So you don't have to worry to take your girl to places, and you don't have to worry if you don't take her to places that she might feel bored or something like that. No, she will be happy just to spend time with you together, yeah, to be in your presence. Indonesian women are also by nature actually more submissive than Western women, so they will follow you yeah, and they will be happy to follow you. So let's say you decide, today we are gonna go to this natural park, or today I want to see the volcano, or I don't know what, just for example. She will be happy to follow. There will be no argument like, oh no, I don't want to see the volcano, I want to go here and there. So you will not have these arguments. She will just be happy to be together with you. Whatever you guys do, she will enjoy it, she will value it. So this is the very important thing to understand. And while you are together, enjoying your activities, be it walking on the beach, or walking in a park, or climbing a mountain, or visiting a nature park, or I don't know what. During these activities, you also don't need to worry that you have to act or be always a constant entertainer or a clown, or always make her laugh and smile. This is all bollocks. You just have to be yourself, basically, and no need to act out something. Yeah. So again, no matter you bring her to a fancy resort, or you just walk in the park with her, or you bring her to a fancy restaurant, a very expensive restaurant, or you enjoy the street food, she will be happy either way, okay? This is important to understand as Western guys, because, you know, in our culture, the dating culture has deteriorated a lot, right? So many Western guys complain about the huge effort one has to put in today to impress Western women, and the expectations on the side of these women can be very high. So naturally, men feel very insecure about that, but you don't have to feel insecure with Indonesian women. Yeah. So when I just said that simple things matter with Indonesian women, that does not mean, of course, that you should not treat your girl like a lady. Yeah, of course, if you can afford it, then you should take her to a fancy restaurant from time to time. Why not? It's a good thing, you know. It's a nice experience also. The regular Indonesian girl never went to these fancy restaurants, 5-star restaurants, you know. You can bring her to a 5-star hotel restaurant. Why not? You know, it's probably a great experience for her. Some of these girls, they have to scrape by money just to enjoy a Starbucks coffee. Yeah, you have to understand that. Yeah. Why not taking her on a trip also, you know? To show her some places, you know, why not spend time together? If you like to travel, then, and if she also likes to travel, then show her something new. Yeah. But the important thing to understand is that you do these things, like bringing her to a fancy restaurant, treating her like a lady, maybe do a trip with her to another island. You don't do these things to impress her. Yeah. You want to do these things to make her feel special. This is a different mindset, you know. Most men, this is how we are wired, right? Unfortunately, we think we have to impress women. And yes, women want to be impressed by us, not only Indonesian women, all women around the world, they want to be impressed by men, but, you know, the way we think women want to be impressed, this is what many men completely get wrong still today. That's the same with Indonesian women. So treat her like a lady, but you do it because you want to make her feel special, because I hope she is something special to you, right? And not just to impress her and throw cash at her. Yeah. So it is a mindset. It's a giving mindset. You know, it's your mindset should be something like you do it because you want to give something to her, and not you do it because you want to manipulate her in order to get something, maybe sex or something. I don't know. Yeah. So again, this is a reminder. I've talked about this in many of my other videos, also in detail. You don't need to worry about impressing Indonesian girls so much with material things. Yeah? You are on the safer side if you can impress her with your character and your personality. Yeah? If you show your respect to her and to her family also later when you have a chance to meet the family. Also, if you can have respect for the culture, the Indonesian culture, yeah, for her culture, yeah, and also when you show not only respect but also interest in her, in her family, in her culture, yeah, also in the language, you know, it's always good to learn some Indonesian language, right? And so the girls will be impressed by this, yeah, by these seemingly simple things. They seem to be very simple things, but they are profound, yeah, with Indonesian women. And yeah, but that's how it is. Simple girls, simple things. And the last thing I want to say is that Indonesian women, the majority of them still today are actually gracious receivers. They know how to appreciate whatever you do for them. They also know how to appreciate you. And this is one of the major differences between this Asian feminine mindset, the Southeast Asian feminine mindset versus the Western mindset. You know, our women, the Western women, they are more and more showing this entitlement mentality. You know, they feel entitled to certain things, to many things, especially material things. And Indonesian women, especially the good ones, they don't feel entitled and they don't show it. They are gracious receivers and they know how to appreciate. And with that being said, I'm checking out for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Looking forward to your comments. And I hope I could clarify the issue here so you don't need to worry. Yeah? If you're not a clown, if you're not an entertainer, yeah, you don't need to be that. You just be yourself and respect these women accordingly. You treat them nicely and polite, and then understand that they are simple women. This is also the way they grew up, you know. They didn't grow up in Taj Mahal or on Fifth Avenue in New York. There are province girls, village girls, city girls, most of them coming from a humble background. And that's a good thing actually, because their mindset is not corrupted yet. Okay? Checking out now. Thanks for watching. See you in one of my next videos. Take care. Bye bye.